From bottom left to top right, you can see a red-crowned parakeet, a kaka and a saddleback. These are my nature highlights from a trip to Kapiti Island, which is off North Island of New Zealand. It's a nature reserve, come protected area, come island. Island makes it ideal to be a nature reserve because they can eliminate lots of the invasive non-native species. So for example, this saddleback, which is relatively rare, it was definitely very rare when I visited in 2016, can survive on this island. This is a kaka. I've got a theory that its role here, where it's kind of digging into the tree, is replacing the role that's played in other parts of the world by birds such as woodpeckers. New Zealand has sort of unique species not found anywhere else, and so they've all kind of filled ecological niches to replace the niches elsewhere, if that sentence made any sense. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh, there's something falling out of the tree. Oh, looking closer, there's something up there, and there'll be another close-up in a moment, and we'll see that it's a red-crowned parakeet. Thanks for watching. I was being quiet, just so you could sort of listen to the background of the forest. Lots more information on my blog, link in the description.